Nelmac is an environmental management company, head office based in Nelson, with approximately 265 employees that operate predominantly in the South Island but all throughout New Zealand. We specialise in conservation, working closely with the Department of Conservation, local councils and central government to ensure that our unique native environment is cared for in the best possible way. We can operate all over New Zealand and are able to get specialist personnel and machinery to any part of the country. We have experienced arborists, tree cutters, along with planters, digger operators. All have knowledge and experience in conservation and can work with minimal effect to the environment. We're able to work in the toughest conditions New Zealand has and can safely organise working in the most remote and hard to access locations in this country. Nelmac specialises in conservation. This ties in with our trail construction because of the delicate native bush environments that the trails pass through. We believe that this is one of the best ways of caring for our fragile forests is by educating the public, allowing them to interact with the bush by having world-class facilities for them to experience it on a personal level. For us, it's about conserving New Zealand's precious natural environment. That's one of our top priorities, and it reflects our vision of enhancing New Zealand's environment for community wellbeing.
What line are we going for through here?
Basically taking the line straight through there.
Yeah.
Basically putting a gradual turn around this ridge.
Yeah.
So it's not sharp and hard to ride.
So I guess we'll drill into this rock, put some power gel in and blow it out. What are you thinking about this tree? Can we save this tree? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We might be able to save this one at the top here.
Save that one at the top. Yeah, that'll be good. We'll just sneak the track in. So through here it's going to go up a bit steeper. We're going to have to watch our spill that we cut out and make sure that's packed away underneath the moss so there's the least impact possible. This is quite an old forest here, so we don't want to do any more damage than necessary, just make the track look natural.
Yeah, I mean we'll try and take limbs off trees than taking whole trees out, and then chopping them up and mulching them up so that they disappear a bit faster. But the main idea is to conserve as many of these very old but small trees as possible. This could be a good viewpoint. We're actually coming straight through here. It's really nice. So we'll try and have the track in a little bit just to pop your head up over the tops while we're coming through. Just due to all these stunted wee trees, you can really get a good view of the west coast in all its glory.